Hi everyone, welcome to Square Technology, the largest spiral freezer manufacturer in China. Today, I'm going to introduce you our latest spiral freezer design. This design is very compact, hygienic, and high energy efficient. We have different belt widths available for customers to choose. The belt widths can be 400, 600, 700, 900, and 1000 millimeter. This is our smallest spiral freezer model. The belt is 400 millimeter wide. It can be completely pre-assembled in our factory, put in a container, and delivered to the customer site. That saves a lot of installation time and cost. The belt is driven by the chains, one outside and one inside. The belt stacks on the top of each other. That avoids the debris caused by the friction between the mesh and the belt supports. That's why the self-stacking spiral freezer is much more hygienic compared to the traditional drum-driven spiral. We have added the stiffening ribs to increase the strength of the belt, so that the total belt tiers can be 42. Because the belt is reinforced, so that there will be no deformation even when the belt is working under heavy duty. This is the ball chain drive system. We have also provided automatic lubricating system, so that even a small gear motor can drive a big spiral. The spiral freezer is very easy to use. All operations, like CIP cleaning, freezer running, air defrosting system, hot gas defrosting, turning on and turning off the refrigeration system, can be done by the touchscreen. The control system has also provided with internet access, so that our engineer back in the office can always access the freezer to analyze the failures, solve the problem, and update the control program regularly via internet. We can provide different spiral freezer configurations. The infeed and outfeed can be at the same side, or straight through, or at a 90-degree turn. It can be low in, high out, or high in, low out. Welcome to Square Technology Group, the largest freezing equipment manufacturer in China.